Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video I have got two simple sites that I'm going to share with you how you can start earning some extra money. Now, like most things we share on this channel, it's free to get started, it's simple, it's easy, it's pretty quick, and you do not need any experience to go ahead and make some extra money with these sites. Now, before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome, my name is Mark. This on the screen is one of my blogs called Not Taught at School, and you can see on here I blog about making money online and working from home. I have some other bits on here about blog traffic and other bits, but predominantly it's about making money online and working from home. And you can see in a snapshot my most popular posts: how to work from home, 5 ways to make some extra cash, how to make money writing, etc, etc. There's lots and lots of articles on this blog about making money online, and the same on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in making money online and working from home, subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I upload a video, because like I say, I mix it up between my blog and also my YouTube channel. So I'll drop a link over to my blog, and I'll change the link to this make money category for you, so you don't have to go through all the different pages. You can just go direct to this category here, this work from home, and in here you're going to find lots and lots of different articles about making money online. But feel free to go back through all of my different YouTube videos, because again I'm coming up to about 90 different videos now on YouTube about making money online. So let's jump into today's video. So, not one. I'm going to go to this one here. So, in today's video, we're going to have a look at how you can make between $3 and $5 per hour. Now, it's free to get started, and you can begin this today. There's no reason why you can't begin this today. And then payout is via PayPal or MasterCard. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's two different sites we're going to look at today. So, let's just go ahead and have a look at these sites and how you can get started with this. So we jump over here, not here, we're going to go to here. So the first one is this one here. It's called earnably.com, and we've covered this site before in the past, but today we're going to be looking at something specific, which is the videos section. So to get here, you would simply go to Earnably, you would sign up, and you can just join via Facebook or just normal email, password, etc. And then where it says "and" on the left hand side, you click there and you scroll down to videos. Now when you click on videos, you get given these 4 different tabs here. Now what I've found is, from these 4 different tabs, the one you want to be looking for is this one here called engageme.tv. So if you click on there, it will take you through to this page here. Now you can see here what happens is you earn points via watching videos, and then points equal, basically your points add up, and then you can transfer them to PayPal vouchers, or you can go ahead and get a MasterCard payment with that. Now on here there's lots and lots of different categories. You can see here we've got food, the s'mores.tv food, you've then got the lifestyle category, you've then got nature, you've got music, news. Now when I've been playing around with this, what you want to be keeping an eye out for is this one here which says earn unlimited points, because what you can do is you simply, I'll show you, right? So let's say you want to look at this one here, this food section. Click on here, it shows you 0.07 points. So if I click on here, it'll show you. So I'll highlight this for you here. Watch awesome food videos and earn for every video plus ad you watch. Your points will be fully credited every 3 videos plus the ads that you watch. So what you can do on here is you simply click on here, it will open up a new tab for you, and then it'll just start playing the videos. So when I've been doing this, all I've done is I've come in here, I've pressed play, and then I've just let it run, and it's just working away in the background, and it's earning points, and then those points add up, and then you can go ahead and transfer those points into effectively cash. So you can go ahead and transfer them into a PayPal payment, or you can go ahead and get the MasterCard payment. Now this here, it's just opening the S'mores TV website, and then it's going to bring up the category which we've just gone ahead and had a look at, which was the food category. So you see here, your rewards info is now open. Click here to open it. So I'm just going to click on got it. Yeah, we've got it here. So you see here, it says rewards. If you click on there, rewards, it's then just going to start playing the videos for you, and then it will start showing you how many points you've earned as the videos go on. But like I say, all I'm doing with this is I'm just opening this up, pressing play and just leaving it to run really. So you can see here rewards. So currently it's watched 0 of 3 different videos, earning points, 0 points. So once it's watched the first video, it will show you how many points you've earned, and then it will just move on to the next one. Now, if I just go back over here to the Engage Me TV, what you want to be looking for when you're doing this is where it says earn unlimited points, because some of these are not unlimited points, and I come a cropper with this myself. So if I scroll down here, you can see, where's it gone? Quite a lot of them on this one are earn unlimited points, but you see this one here, saving money. Oh no, sorry, not that one. This one here, this late night one, this is not unlimited points. This one here, Music Fest, this isn't unlimited points. If I keep scrolling down, this one here, Music Mix, again, this isn't unlimited points. So you want to be looking for the ones that have this here, this earn unlimited points, and then you can just pretty much leave this open and it'll just play the videos for you. You'll be earning an unlimited number of points for as long as you're watching the videos and you've got this open. Now in terms of this tab here, you can simply just make it smaller and leave it running on in the background, but that's it really. So it will just run on in the background for you. You earn points for every single one that you go ahead and watch, and then once you've got those points, you're then going to go ahead and cash those points out for PayPal vouchers and also for MasterCard gift cards. So this one here, let me just come out of this tab here, go back over to here. So back to the home page, sorry. On here, like I said, so back on Earnably, you've 4 tabs here. I mean, I have had a look at this Offer Torah and this one Video Loyalty, but what I've found is this EngageMe.tv, it's very, very popular, and they're also on many other platforms as well. So I would say just stick to this one here, or feel free to go over to S'mores.tv. They've got some on there, but the earning potential is a lot more with EngageMe TV because they've got a lot more video categories and the earn unlimited points option on there. So it's just really simple, it's really easy, and like I say, you can just leave this running on in the background and it'll just earn points for you. And if you're not particularly interested in food, then like I say, you can go through all these different categories on here and just find, I mean, you don't even have to be interested in it because you can just press play and leave it running and then just earn points for doing so. So that there is the first site. It's called Earnably. It's really simple, it's easy, and you can get signed up with this today. The next site I'm going to show you is I mean, to be fair, it's very similar. It's called InstaGC. Now again, along here, when you sign up, this is the screen that you will come to. You've got all of these on here. Now the one you want to be looking for is, where is it? I'm going to go to videos. Go to videos, and I'm going to say I'm pretty certain, but I know that the Engage Me TV is on here. So you can see here, EngageMe.tv. They've got the 2 other sites which they've got over on Earnably, which is Offer Torah and Video Loyalty. But again, click on Engage Me TV, and then it's just going to open up a similar tab to what you've got over on Earnably like this. And you just scroll down, you find the ones that you want to watch, click on them. It'll tell you how many points you can expect to earn. It opens up a new tab, and then the videos start playing, and then you earn points for every video, and then you just cash out your points into either. I'll show you up here. So go redeem. Go to redeem, and then you've got the 2 options. You've got the PayPal option and you've also got the MasterCard option. Well, actually on Earnably you've got a lot more. So on InstaGC, on this one here, redeem, if we go to here, click on redeem, unless they've added more to this since I was last on here, but when I was on here before it was just PayPal and it was PayPal, gift cards, other rewards. Go down here, you can have PayPal and also MasterCard. You can, yeah, there you go. So you've got MasterCard and you've got PayPal, and then over on Earnably, again, you've got PayPal here. There's lots more different options on Earnably. I mean, out of the 2 different websites, out of Earnably and InstaGC, I prefer Earnably. You can see here I've currently got 104 points on this site. There's a lot more options on here, and just scrolling down here, I mean, you can see there's all of these different places that you can go ahead and cash out your points to. Now there is other ways that you can earn some extra money on here. You see here they've got an offers wall, they've got surveys, they've got videos which we've covered, they've got tasks and games and other stuff, but that there is today's video. It's 2 simple ways you can start earning some extra money. I'll drop links to both of these sites below for you, but if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.